It was a scientific investigation that inspired us to start this project. A study conducted by the Center for Genomic Regulation in Barcelona discovered that a green tea-based compound in combination with cognitive stimulation was capable of improving the brain function in people with Down syndrome. How to get the children doing the cognitive exercises? That was where we came into play. We had a mission. We had to create a video game that would be both fun and motivating, and at the same time conceal the therapeutic background that the children in treatment needed. Then we realized it was possible. And that's how Animal Hero was born. Hero is a child that will have to face an endless array of obstacles and dangers in order to save his pet, Axel, as well as the other animals on Earth. For this purpose, he will need the help of the players, and this way they will become the heroes of this story.